Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to set up the assistant in QuillBot. Setting up the assistant helps you get personalized writing suggestions and improve your overall writing workflow. So let's get started. Start by opening the QuillBot app on your device. Tap on Setup Assistant in the app. Now tap on Enable Permissions to allow QuillBot to display over other apps. Now, tap on Agree to continue with the permission settings. Tap on the toggle box to enable the QuillBot Assistant. Again, tap on Enable Accessibility so that QuillBot can access your device. In the menu that appears, tap on Installed Apps. Find QuillBot in the list, then tap on the toggle box to turn on accessibility. Finally, tap on Agree to give QuillBot full control of your phone. And that's how you can set up the assistant in QuillBot. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.